Welcome to Autos Play, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the modern modified 2025 Ford Escort MK1, a vehicle that blends classic heritage with modern performance through innovative design enhancements and cutting-edge features. At the front, the Escort MK1 retains its iconic charm while incorporating modern elements for a bold and aggressive look. A redesigned honeycomb patterned grille takes center stage, seamlessly merging with the retro-inspired round LED headlamps that now feature built-in daytime running lights. The front bumper has been updated with larger air intakes, improving cooling efficiency while adding to the vehicle's dynamic presence. The sculpted hood features subtle curves that enhance its muscular stance, while integrated fog lamps and chrome accents strike the perfect balance between sophistication and sportiness. From the side, the Escort MK1 showcases a streamlined profile that embodies both agility and strength. The crisp character lines and sculpted body contours create an impression of motion even when the car is at a standstill. The vehicle sits on stunning 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that complement the widened fenders, emphasizing its rally-inspired heritage. Blacked-out window trims and precision-cut door handles elevate the car's premium appeal, while a gently sloping roofline and discreet rear spoiler enhance aerodynamics without compromising the Escort's signature design. At the rear, the modern updates continue to impress while staying true to the Escort's classic DNA. A sleek LED taillight strip now extends across the width of the vehicle, creating a striking and unmistakable lighting signature. The redesigned rear bumper integrates a sporty skid plate and dual exhaust tips, reinforcing the car's performance-focused aesthetic. A high-mounted stop lamp and a subtle ducktail spoiler contribute to improved aerodynamics and a commanding road presence. Inside, the cabin reflects a fusion of nostalgia and contemporary luxury. Dual-tone leather upholstery with contrast stitching offers a refined feel, while a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The fully digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls create a driver-centric environment that blends comfort with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Escort MK1 is powered by a 1.5-litre turbocharged EcoBoost engine, delivering an impressive 180 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, the Escort ensures an exhilarating driving experience. Advanced mild hybrid technology enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining the spirited performance that has defined the Escort's legacy. For more exciting automotive updates, don't forget to subscribe to Autos Play.